Hello everyone and welcome to this YouTube. Today we're talking about the Grace. This is a tribal crabber out of Ocean Shores. Derelict vessel, no longer really wanting to float, almost sunk in the marina. Working with the Quinault tribal fishers, I was able to bring my boat in, hook up to it with my equipment, get it to the surface, drag it over to the ramp, and this trailer was waiting to put it on and get it out of the marina of Westport. If we get close enough now and look at the hull, you'll see all the different marine life that has grown on this vessel over the years. And as the tribal elders work together to clean up the waters around Westport of these derelict vessels, I had a great opportunity to meet them and learn more about the different critters that are living on these derelict vessels. For instance, the Stella clava, the club tunicate. We have a lot of worms here we call marine worms. If you'd like to call them something else, do it. But look at the growth on this old vessel named the Grace. Pretty amazing, isn't it, the way that the marine life lives in the waters of our Northwest.